Hi everyone, and welcome back to Beverly's Stunning Creations. I want to start this video out by thanking you for 400,000 subscribers. This is a milestone for me. It's been years and years in the making, and I want to thank you all for being there with me. Thank you to all of the ones who have shared my channel with other family members, friends, whoever. Thank you so very much. So yeah, thank you. I'm really excited, and I would love to see 500K before the end of the year. I know we can do it, guys. It's never been done on my channel, but I've seen people accumulate 100,000 in less than a month. So if we can reach 500K by the end of the year, I'll do another spectacular giveaway. And speaking of giveaways, I am going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm excited. Again, thank you so much for 400K. So we are going to be making some apothecary jars using these two particular items from Dollar Tree. I've already removed the sticker from here, but it's still here. It just says glass jar. But yeah, we'll be using these two different items from Dollar Tree to create some never before seen apothecary jars. So we're going to put this aside for now, and we are going to get started on here. I'm just going to clean the outside real fast and then come back and move on to the next. As you can see, we have 3 different size cylinder vases from Dollar Tree. Small, medium, and large. And I did find them all at Dollar Tree. This one I found at a different Dollar Tree. But yeah, they do have 3 different heights. So we are going to be doing a 3-piece apothecary jar set that can also be used as candle holders. Okay, beautiful. To get started, I'm going to start with the tall one. So let's just go ahead and move these aside. So here I have some mirror towel, and I want to cut 2 rows. I have this little piece of plastic down to protect my mat. Now, you will need to cut 10 of these. And I do have some that I cut already ahead of time. We're going to start out with cutting 1 row of the diamond bling. And we are going to place this right at the top. And go all the way around. And do not stretch your bling. If you need to cut another piece to make sure that it goes all the way around, then just do that, but don't stretch it. Okay, just like that. And now we'll take 2 rows of mirror towel and do the same thing. And just push right up against the diamond bling. We'll fill that in with some diamond bling later. So take another single strip of the diamond bling and go around right underneath the mirror towel. Again, I'll fill this in a little bit later with some of the diamond bling. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to repeat these steps at the bottom and then come back. So this is what it looks like on the top and the bottom. Same exact thing. I have mirror towel that I've already cut into 2 rows. So I went ahead and removed the backing partially, and I am going to go straight down. Pull it as straight as possible. Okay, when you get to the bottom, just go ahead and break it. Just like that. Now I'm going to go directly across from there and do that same thing again. Okay, break off the excess. Now we are going to go halfway between these 2 pieces. So we'll find the middle. If you need to mark it, then do that. I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay, just like that. And now we'll do it on this side as well. And now I am going to go in the middle of these 2. Just like that. Alright guys, so I'm going to do that all the way around. Put one here, here until it's completely even. I'll do that off camera and then come back. Okay guys, so I have added my mirror towel all the way around. So the next thing I'm going to do is take 2 rows of my diamond bling, and I'm going to do this on each side of the mirror tile. Do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. And I'll continue to do this all the way around. Guys, so I'm back, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so now we have this, and off camera, I went ahead and added mirror to the other 2 as well. This one I did the same exact thing. The only difference is I only added 1 row of the diamond bling. This one has 2. I have some individual strips of the diamond bling, and I'm just going to add them to the glass. This one I'm just going to go right down the middle. I'm going to come back and cut the excess off in a minute. Just like that. This one I'm just going to do like a squiggly kind of design. Like so. Next one, a straight line. And now another squiggly line. Okay, just like that. Alright guys, so I'm going to continue to do this off camera and then okay, so next I'm going to take some of this bling that I picked up at Amazon. Wrap this around, cut it. I've done this ahead of time. Then after I cut it, I'm going to take pieces from this garland like this and just put it onto the strip like that. You take it and open it and just push it through, and it'll go right through there. Just like that. You need to put 7 on there. So if you want to get them even, let me back it up. Just fold it here and then put 1 there, and then just fold from the middle to the end and then put 1 there. Same thing on this side. From the end to the middle, put 1 there, and then fold it again, and then get that one, and then put 1 towards the end, so it's easy. Alright, so now I am going to put this in place. Go ahead and remove the backing. You want it to be in the center, but you don't want it to be too high. Okay, about here. And then I like to lay it down. Pull off the backing as you go. Okay, that looks pretty good. Just like that. I know it's different, guys, and that's what I wanted. Something totally different. So now we have this piece and this piece. Okay? I have the third one that I am going to show you at the end. So with this piece, we have the squiggly lines and the straight line. With this piece, we only have the straight lines, and the third one will fit in too. So again, we'll see that at the end of the video. Now, let's move these to the side. Now onto our jar. For the jar, we only want the lid. So let's go ahead and remove the lid. It comes right off. And then take this off. Now let me say this about these particular jars. They do have 2 different kind of lids. They have the older version, which will fit 2, and I'll show you that later. And this is the newer one. So with the newer one, you have this little plastic piece. You can remove it. You really don't need it. Let me show you how it fits. Perfect fit. Now if you want to, again, you can put this back on there, but it's a little bit of an eyesore because of the way that it sits, okay? All right, now let's decorate our lid. I'm going to take this little small mirror, and I do have a link for them, and I'll put it in the description. It comes with adhesive on the back, and I want to put this directly in the center. Press it down, go ahead and remove the protective layer. And now I'm just going to use these leftover pieces. Just going to go around the mirror with 1 single piece of the diamond bling. And then I'm going to come back in with a second row of diamond bling. Now we're going to take 1 row of the mirror towel and just go around the outside. And it will curve as long as you use 1 row at a time. And now you'll go around the outside of the mirror with 1 row of the diamond bling, I'll do that off camera and then come back. And now for this particular piece, I want all the lids to be slightly different. So I am going to take 2 rows of this bling. Yeah, I do not want all the lids to be exactly the same because all of the jars are not the same. I'm just going to go right inside here with the 2 rows. Just like that. And finally, I'm going to take one of my knobs, one of these little crystal knobs that I picked up at Amazon. You guys, if you've been following me for a long time, y'all know I love these. So I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue, put it right on the base, and then put this right in the center. And now I'm going to take some masking tape and put it right across there just to hold it in place while the glue sets up, because it will slide. Okay, now back to our apothecary jars. I've already flipped them over. Now it's time to attach our bases to them. Now, if you don't want to, you don't have to. This is totally up to you, okay? Anything in my DIYs you can change around. You don't need my permission, just do what you want. So I have the Dollar Tree candle holders, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some Gorilla Glue around the top. And then put this one in the middle. Same thing, secure this piece as well. You don't want the base to slide around at all. Okay, we're gonna put that aside. I'm gonna let everything set up. When I come back, I'll go ahead and decorate the base just to embellish it just a little bit, and then we'll put everything together and let you guys see what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the very next day, and I have completed all 3 of my apothecary jars. Now let me say this too. These can be used as candle holders, as I mentioned before, and they can still be used as vases, like they were intended to be. After I glued the bottom candle holder onto the cylinder base, I went ahead and took some of the bling that I got from Amazon, and I actually cut it in half to make it fit. Now, they do sell different sizes, so you can find a size that will fit. I didn't have any on hand, so got my MacGyver going and figured out how to make it work. So this is how it looks. Once you cut it in half, you'll have that raw edge. I took this piece and put it on the bottom. Then I had the raw edge up here, so I just took some of the diamond bling, 1 row of it, and went around the top to make it look more finished. The mirrors never did make a complete contact with the first row, so I added another row of the diamond bling. This is the medium-sized vase. I did have to do it on the taller vase, but not on the smaller vase. Now, back to our lid. Here's our lid. This is the new lid that comes on the jar, and this is another one of the newer lids that comes on the jars. I have 3 rows here, and then I went right in that little nook and put 1 row, so it's an equivalent of 4 rows of bling. This one only has 2. That's how these 2 are different. Now, this is the original lid. It comes with this piece, and I'm gonna leave it there because it actually needs it, and it doesn't show because of the 2 rows of bling that we have up here. And like I said before, I wanted all 3 to look a little different because all 3 apothecary jars are different. This one has 3 rows of the diamond bling. So yeah, this is how these are different. Okay, I'm gonna put these on display. I want you guys to comment below what's different about the shortest apothecary jar and how they come together as a set. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the reveal. Okay, everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. If you don't have time to comment, then leave your favorite emoji. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.